Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Grok Girl Coin. It's easy to get this done. Open up your browser. Once there, simply scroll down from coinmarketcap.com to where we have the contract address. Copy this contract address, minimize and open up a wallet. The MetaMask or Trust Wallet would work, so we're going to be working with Trust Wallet. Make sure you have some BNB to pay for transaction fees and the rest. If you do not, click on the buy option and simply enter an amount of BNB you'd wish to buy. Now, once you've done this, simply head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll till you find the Pancake Swap option. Click on Pancake Swap, and once you've entered Pancake Swap, make sure your wallet is connected by clicking the Wallet Connect icon at the top right. Once you've done this, in place of Baby Grok, click on Baby Grok, paste the contract address for Grok Girl. Click on Grok Girl, click on Import, click on I understand, and click on Import once more. We're going to be using some of our BNB to gain some Grok Girl, so click on 25% or enter an amount you wish. Click on the swap option, click on Confirm Swap, and you'll be taken to a menu where you can simply buy the Grok Girl. So click on Approve, enter your passcode, and the transaction has been submitted. Now simply click on Add Grok Girl to Wallet, click on OK, close the Pancake Swap, head home. In the place of search for GROK and click on Grok Girl, reload, and you'd find the Grok Girl on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.